set up in the strap. Nice and high.
Oh yeah.
Really high.
Oh yeah. You know how high they can get.
Nice, there you go. Get up there high and cup them as hard as you can in that high spot. That's it. Yes, good job. That's it. That's it. Lots of cup, Auden. Get up there and cup.
Someone deal with it.
Oh, don't mind.
Oh.
No, I'm not gonna take all of that.
Yeah, stay close to it, Auden. Stay close to it. Stay close. Stay close, Auden. Stay close. That's it. Stay close. Stay close. Lots of wrist. Good.
Nice. Oh, let's do it again.
I don't like me getting going back to that shit.
Rise the bottom. Oh, he's got you cut in. Real nice. Auden, you feel a guy grab you low like that? You gotta cut him off. You gotta raise the bottom so he can't get that low bite. You feel him doing that? You gotta hide the bottom. There you go. Drag him down. Good job.
And really, I don't even train that hard. Even that much.
That's the thing about my left. It's inside, just doesn't exist, but it can go out a little bit.
I thought it was your best arm.
I mean, it is my best arm because I beat you.
That's longer.
Drag it back on. That's it. Good job. Nice. Try and get as much wrist as possible. Yeah. See if you can roll out of it. Keep your wrist. Yeah. Good.
I had to trick you into dropping down that time.
You're beating my wrist.
That's my only trick.
Yeah, just be stronger.
Well, you're recording.
Hey? Yeah.
Just post the one that.
Yeah.
Wrist and left.
Yeah, absolutely.
And that continued like this.
I can stay nice and low key that way.
Loki.
Elbows down, Johnny. Elbows down. Like the back, you know.
Hide. Don't let him get around.
Oh.
Show. That's it. Yes. There you go. Yeah, lots of wrist. Whoa.
Had to make that.
There you go. That's it. That's it. Good job.
He's not supposed to be doing this right now.
I'm not going too bad. I'm fine.
Yeah.
I'll be okay.
I'm already done.
Oh, looks like you're making John start to sweat.
Yeah, second round it was.
Go ahead then.
Loki.
Elbows down, Johnny. Elbows down. Like that, you know.
Hide. Don't let him get around.
Oh,
Show. That's it. Yes. There you go. Yeah, lots of wrist. Whoa.
had to make that.
Would you have it on low there?
There you go. That's it. That's it. Good job.
He's not supposed to be doing this right now.
I'm not going too bad. I'm fine.
Yeah.
I'll be okay.
I'm already done.
Oh, looks like you're making John start to sweat.
Yeah, second round it was.
Go ahead then.
You're not falling into the Kingsman trap.
I'm trying not to.
This old stamina trick.
Oh! Oh, the stamina trick.
Yeah, one more left.
Oh, there it is.
Stay close.
I just bought a brand new hand blender. It doesn't turn off.
Nice match, guys. Nice match. Nice match.
Oh, good job, Johnny.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Now I am sweaty.
Now John's done for the day.
I'm done till tonight.